This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Damn. Okay. Alright, let me stop before I get copyrighted. YouTube, fuck going, man. It's your boy Sere 006, man. Back with another little POV drive, man. I know I haven't came with another POV drive in a little minute, man. Look at that ugly charger, bro. I know my shit ain't that ugly. God damn. I'm gonna start trolling, man. But look, man, just got off the highway. I'm finna go back home. Ooh. Got a little chally. Hey, look, man. Whoa. My bad, chat. Day one call me. I know how that get, though, man. But look, bro. Hey. This shit keep freezing, but it's cool. I'm thugging. I know where I'm at, I think. Like alive. But look, bro. I just came back from a little football. You know what I'm saying? Nigga went player of the fucking year, bro. Freshman All-American on some shit. I'm gonna pop that bit up in the screen. Y'all probably like, y'all don't be giving a fuck. But I don't give a fuck. Y'all niggas about to see this shit. I don't care. Y'all want some little pops? I got y'all. Hold on. Damn, they packed out over there. Ain't know what the fuck they got going on. The fuck, man? What the fuck, buddy? Please stop trolling, bro. Hey, what's taking this light so fucking long? Fuck. Shit. Bitch. Bro, this shit really loud as fuck, bro. Are we in Henry County? My bad. I hear them pop, bro. Them shit is crazy as hell. It's a fucking police station somewhere around this motherfucker that I need to be advised of. I'm not on my side of town, but I definitely need to goddamn be advised. But look, y'all, boy, I'm just giving y'all a little POV. I know the start of the video was like crazy, bro. A fucking Dodge Durango. That bitch had to be an RT. Check, right? We got a little POV drive, man. We finna whoop that Durango ass. I'm not finna lie. Honking this shit in. I'm finna burn his shit. What? You playing? He don't want it for real. What the hell, Poppy, you doing, man? Man, he don't want it for real, man. Hey, bro. Niggas be trying to pop it on Sere. I don't know. That bit was definitely stopped with a little muffler delete. Cause I heard a little something. But that bit was trying me. I'm talking about. He was on my ass, my y'all twin. I don't really jog crazy when I'm on the way back home from school. I be on some safety shit. But nigga, try me on some bitch. What the fuck this nigga doing? Telling y'all, bro. Atlanta not a real fucking place. Honestly, bro. What the fuck be going on, bro? But yeah, back to what I was saying, y'all boys. Damn, that box just threw me off. Hold on, bro. What the fuck? Fuck. Hold on. I don't know what the fuck that was about, bro. I will put the bitch in manual, bro. But that bitch really get too loud. I'm not even trolling y'all boys. Like, on some real niggas, that shit gets too fucking loud, bro. That shit just pops effortlessly, bro. Like, this shit ain't nothing, bro. Like, this shit like a quiet mode or some shit. All these fucking red lights, man. Man, fuck it. I'm about to put the bitch in neutral. I mean, I said neutral. I hear that shit, bro. Downshift. Could've just blew my fucking motor. I did not know I was in fucking first gear. Alright, let me turn this off. That shit's obnoxiously loud, bro. I wouldn't be fucking surprised if I'm spitting flames, bro. Hey, I appreciate y'all niggas for really liking the build, bro, for real. I'm really bullshitting with that build. I'm really just playing, having fun. Trying to get the goddamn the BMW. You know, finna fucking turn this shit up a notch on my mama. Hold on. Y'all boy just tap in. I know nigga like, get off my dick, bitch. Alright, we definitely in the video one more last pull. Real shit. I got the bit. I don't know if I just bitch and sport it. I have to check. One more last pull, I don't kill it. y'all boy, man. Good night.